In this video, we will cover an example of the rotate command in Microsurvey CAD. I have a house drawn here in magenta, and points 5016 and 5017 are ties to the property corners. So I want to move and rotate that house onto the lot over here to the left. Now some of these entities are not smart entities, such as the text and the polyline that I have drawn to represent the house. So if I were to just move the points, those entities would remain behind, and I would prefer to move all of them. So first I want to simply move my points before rotating them. We'll type M, enter for move. I'm going to select all my points, hit enter, and then I'm going to use 5017 as my base point. And I'm simply going to use my snaps to place it on its corresponding point on the subdivision plan, which is 68. I'm going to turn point protection off and accept the move because I do want to update those points. Now we want to complete the rotation. You can either type rotate in the command line or go to home, rotate. We'll then be prompted to select the entities that we want to move, and I'll just quickly go through and grab everything. Now I don't need to worry about rotating point 5017 because it's already in its correct position. Now that I have everything selected, I'll hit enter. I'll pick my rotation point, again 5017. And at this point we can manually rotate and place just using our mouse, but that's not very accurate. We want to use a reference line to position our lot corners to match. So I'm going to type B for base angle. And here again, if we know the position, we can enter it manually. But I want to actually pick my points on screen, so I'm going to choose 5017 and 5016. And then I can just simply rotate and snap 5016 to 0.69. Now you'll notice that the house and all of the entities have rotated into place. I also mistakenly rotated this iron pin description as well. So I'm just going to simply delete that and then do a MS rescale or rescale complete drawing, and that will regenerate it in its correct position.